My video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection called hxxps. hxxps is a special ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open files without complications, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this hxxps ransomware may be easily injected into the device. This is the result of poor protection of the system by the existing security software. So people restart their computers or simply turn it on someday and then realize that something bad has happened and that it is not possible to use the files anymore. Indeed, all these files get encrypted and they get damaged and modified by this hxxps ransomware. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. The ransom note indicates that the ransom is 980 US dollars. You try to open the specific file and you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the hxxps extension. But paying that ransom of $980 does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So we do urge you not to pay the ransom. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware. We suggest that you use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option so far is available. Click on Start Scan. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware, including hxxps. So then the scanning will begin. While this scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. Therefore, you need to wait some time until the scanning is over. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the information about threats. You'll know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.